guys, Brian back here with another Pepe update. Alright, I got some pretty big news for you guys here. Yesterday we put this trend-based extension on here, okay? Definitely did 5 waves up. This thing is, right now it's tapped out, okay? As far as I'm concerned. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, obviously. But, do your own research with stuff like that. But we got an ABC coming in here, okay? And we also have bearish divergence down here. It's on the 12-hour chart. You can see right there. All right, let me make that line a little thicker. All right, you see what? If you see my white line here moving around, okay, down here at the bottom, we had this high, and we had a higher high in price and a lower price on the RSI. So that's bearish divergence coming in, okay, which means a down. We're due for a downtrend as long as the bearish divergence plays out, okay? I would be looking for a pullback to the 618 area if it was, if it was me. All right, I'll put this up here, pull it down to the beginning of the run. The 618 is bringing us down. How many zeros is that? 6. 13,650 or 13,579, right around there. Okay, I'll be looking for this thing to pull back to. That's the 618. Could come down to the 702 also. All right, let's put this on a daily and see if it lines up with any major support or resistance areas. Okay, that's a good thing to always look for when you're looking for these. That's the 618. We're gonna make that blue. And just to let you guys know, I am eligible for memberships today, so if that's something you're interested in, be in the description of the video. No matter what, you guys are great. I love my friends I have here, so if it's something you're interested in, it's great. If not, please hit the like and subscribe. And there's also a link to MEXC in this description of the video. You can save up to $1,000 on sign-on bonuses. Trade future contracts and stuff on there. So this is the 702 down here. This is the 618. All right, so if we look at this thing, the 618 right here has support. Let me grab my pointer. Okay, right here is a very good support area. You can see that wick right through here was support, right through there. Support here was support through there. Okay, so it looks like a very good area for it. 702 was support here, support here. So it could come anywhere between this level right here. I would watch for a bounce on this thing. Okay, nobody can see the future. If we get this pullback, which I will be looking for it. Right in this zone, you would be watching for a bounce. Okay, so as this thing approaches down here, anywhere through there. Oops, where is it at? There it is. Anywhere down through here, I would be watching for this thing. Could pull right to the 618 and bounce right out of here. Could pull to the 702 and bounce right out of here. One of the two. All right, it's going to do an ABC up in here. Let me get a measurement here, run this daily. So let me see if we hit a. We came up and hit a 786. Okay, looking for a 702 out of this thing. Even that measurement wouldn't even get us down there. So looking for a 618 or 702 to come in after we get this initial fall. All right, this thing. Let's put it on a 15. Whoops. You can see we broke that, retested it as resistance now. Let me get this whole thing on here so you can see this. We fell through, back tested it as resistance. Now, all right, we got some RSIs getting reset here, so expecting a bounce. The 1 hour is down at the bottom. The 4 hour is getting close to the bottom. The 8's at the bottom, and the 12's at the bottom. All right, but you got that daily coming down. You don't have enough for a weekly on there. Okay, that bearish divergence is what is telling me that this thing's going to pull back. Okay, what I would be watching for, is this to break down, probably catch support here and bounce up here. All right, it's very hard to really judge this with that 1 hour is the whole way down there. And who knows, maybe that bearish divergence will not work out, and and it'll get a bounce. But I always believe in bearish divergence like this. You know, if you go over and look at bearish divergence, okay, we got the, let's get down through here, we got price, okay, well, this is the oscillator, I'm sorry, we want the oscillator, I want to show you guys it here. Okay, the oscillator right here, this is strong divergence. Got the oscillator with one high and a lower high, and a price with a lower, this high and a higher high on price. Okay, now that's what we had back here with Pepe. We had the lower highs on the RSI and the higher highs on the price. Okay, higher highs on the price, lower highs on the, that's the strongest bearish divergence you can get. So I'm going with that. All right, I'm just showing you what's out there. I'm showing you the numbers where it could pull back to. So you trade at your own risk, everybody, but that's what I'll be watching for. All right, so I'm going to put a box there. We'll see what happens with this thing, and there we go. I'll be watching for that there. Okay, all right, everybody, please hit the like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great night.